Hey guys, it's Fonzie with Dip Your Car. Now you know that I try my best to keep tabs on our YouTube comments. There's a lot of valuable viewer feedback in there. What I'm specifically looking for most of the time are trends, clusters of people asking to see the same thing. And one thing I've noticed for sure over the past couple months is every time we do a pearl style video, there's a bunch of people that ask to see that pearl that we used over Nardo Grey. There's a big interest around seeing different pearls over Nardo Grey. I understand it's a very popular color. Now, what I did was I put up a poll on our YouTube channel, 5 different pearls, asked you guys what pearl you want to see over Nardo Grey for today's video. The winner was purple interference pearl. So today we're putting purple interference over Nardo Grey. And we've seen Nardo over a bunch of different Audis. I want to see how it works over something different. So today we're working on the Mustang. Enjoy the video. So we finished up with the project, and if you're not familiar with what an interference pearl is, it's a translucent pearl, and you're not really supposed to use this pearl to create an opaque solid color. You're supposed to use it for creating a color effect over different base colors. So essentially what we have here is a Nardo Grey Mustang. But when the light hits it at certain angles, the purple just fires off like a laser. It is a super cool effect. If you like this project, there's other interference colors that we have and lots of other base colors. So if you have an idea in mind, a base color and an interference color that you want to see us combine, leave a comment below because I love doing projects that you guys want to see. If you want to dip your car, click up here, tons of colors to choose from. Let's go outside, see how this thing came out. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing to the channel. It's Fonzie. I'll see you guys on the next video. It came out way cooler than I expected. If you want to do your car in this exact same color, we created a color kit for you. Color kit. Now we finished up with the project. If you're not familiar with what an interference pearl is, so we finished up with the project. Now if you're not familiar with what an interference pearl is used for, Now we finished up with the project. Now if you're not familiar with what an interference pearl is, Now we finished up with the project, and if you're not familiar with what an interference